Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate brand photography presets in Lightroom step by step clearly. To activate brand photography presets in Lightroom, open the Lightroom application on your computer. Import your brand photography presets if you haven't done so already. To import presets, go to the Develop module. On the left panel, find the Presets section. Click the plus icon located at the top right of the Presets panel. Select Import Presets from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the folder where your presets are saved. Select the preset files you want to import. Click the Import button to add them to Lightroom. Once imported, the presets will appear in the Presets panel. Next, choose a photo to edit in the Develop module. Click on the preset you wish to apply from the Presets panel. Watch as the preset adjusts your photo instantly. If needed, you can fine-tune adjustments using the sliders on the right panel. Remember to save your work by clicking on the Done button after editing. You can always return to the Presets panel to try different presets on any photo. Experiment with multiple presets to find the perfect look for your brand photography. Once satisfied, consider creating your own custom presets for future use. This will save you time and ensure consistency across your photos. You have now successfully activated and used brand photography presets in Lightroom. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.